Methane. Molecular formula CH4. Molecular weight 16. Methane is the simplest saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is produced naturally by the decomposition of organic matter in the absence of air. Methane occurs as fire damp in coal mines, as marsh gas in marshy places, and as main constituent of natural gas. It is formed during the purification of sewage and during the decomposition of cellulose in our intestines. Preparation of methane. Mixture of sodium acetate and soda lime is taken in a hard boiling tube and is closed with one whole rubber cork. A delivery tube is inserted in the cork. The other end of the delivery tube is passed through a beehive shelf, and a gas jar filled with water is kept inverted over the beehive shelf. Now, heat the mixture of sodium acetate and soda lime with Bunsen burner. Methane gas is evolved and it is collected by the downward displacement of water. Sodium acetate plus sodium hydroxide with calcium oxide gives methane plus sodium carbonate. Ethane. Molecular formula C2H4 or CH2 double bond CH2. Molecular weight 28. Ethane belongs to unsaturated hydrocarbon. Each member of this group contains a double bond C, the common name for ethane in ethylene. Preparation of ethane. A mixture of ethyl alcohol and concentrated sulfuric acid are taken in a round-bottomed flask such that the volume of sulfuric acid is twice that of ethyl alcohol. The flask is closed with two-hole rubber cork. Through one hole, insert a thermometer to find the temperature. To the other hole, insert a delivery tube. The other end of the delivery tube is passed to the vessel containing sodium hydroxide solution. The vessel has a side tube which is inserted to one end of the delivery tube. The other end of the delivery tube is passed through the beehive shelf, over which a gas jar filled with water is kept inverted. When the mixture is heated at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius, ethane gas is evolved with carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. When the gas is passed through sodium hydroxide solution, the impurities are removed and then pure ethane gas is collected by the downward displacement of water. Ethene or acetylene. Molecular formula C2H2. Molecular weight 26. Ethene is the first member of the alkynes series in which two of the carbon atoms are joined together by a triple bond. Out of these triple bonds, two are weak by bonds which can easily be broken to form additional compounds. Since it has three bonds, ethene is more reactive than corresponding ethane, which has only two bonds. Preparation of ethene or acetylene. A few pieces of calcium carbide is taken in a conical flask. It is fitted with two-hole rubber cork. Through one hole, insert a dropping funnel and the other hole, insert a delivery tube. The other end of the delivery tube is passed into a beehive shelf. A gas jar filled with water is kept inverted over the beehive shelf. Now, water is dropped by a dropping funnel. Water reacts with calcium carbide to produce ethene gas. Calcium carbide plus H2O gives ethene or acetylene plus calcium hydroxide. The jar is collected by the downward displacement of water.